Are you sure the R-Wings can take this heat?
I've made some modifications to offset the extreme temperatures. We'll be okay as long as our shields hold. After that, we're cooked.
Sorry I asked.
Shoot those rocks! Don't fly too low. Shields can't take you.
Feeling the heat, Fox? Follow me. Bill, there's no way your ship can handle this. I owe you, and my shields will hold long enough for me to pay you back. My shields are depleted. Keep fighting the good fight, Fox.
Sending supplies. Stay cool, Starfox.
Beat it, Flame Brains. I ain't your buddy. Good riddance. I almost got burned.
I've got more trouble here. Thanks. I was sweating it.
Bombs can dispel those solar flares.
Supplies deployed.
There's our target. It's even uglier up close.
I've never seen anything like it. Bioscan data coming your way now.
Take out its limb.
You've got it right where you want it.
Line box.
It's leaking superheated plasma. Oh, watch out! You did it, Fox. That thing is finished.
Nice job, Starfox. Status report.
Did you ever think you'd get this close to Solar?
If that was a trial by fire, I'd say we passed it.
Looks like you barely made it through, Fox.
A new intelligence report is available in the HoloViewer.
It took a lot of guts to head to Solar, Starfox. I had no idea the R-Wings were capable of such a feat.
Slippy keeps our hardware on the cutting edge. We wouldn't trade these R-Wings for anything. Though, after seeing that bioweapon in action, I'd sure like to know where the enemy's getting their toys.
Most of Andross's weapons have a common origin. Macbeth, the industrial planet. It is the dark heart of his entire operation. Disrupt that operation, and the enemy's manufacturing capabilities will grind to a halt.
You're speaking my language, General. Let me see what we can do.
I'm hacking the enemy network now. If we could intercept this train, we'd cut off the flow of weapons from Macbeth.
So you want us to cause some mayhem? That's my kind of plan.
We could target the train directly, of course, but the railway appears to be secured by a series of locks along the track. If we shoot all 8 locks, we might be able to reroute the train, causing further disruption to enemy supply lines.
It'll be tough for the R-Wings to track the target through some of that terrain.
Actually, I've got something that might help. I've been tinkering on a prototype for a ground assault vehicle. It's every bit as maneuverable as an R-Wing, with a high-power laser cannon and hover functionality. Also, it has seat warmers. I call it the Landmaster.
You think of everything, Slippy. Time to hit the ground and cause some trouble.